Pound USD, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, the pound is correcting here. Now the thing is whether we can get this down move or not. This is what we were talking about in my last video. Okay, in this case, if I draw my line here as a trend line, okay, now the question is whether if we get a down move, whether the price can come to at least somewhere around this or not. Okay, in this case, we move to forward chart. All right. Okay, based on forward chart, as we can see, the price is dropping, but we don't have any trade set up. And what we want to know if the price drop, whether the price can come to this low, this trend line which I draw here. But before that, I will put my line here. That means if the price continue drop somewhere around this, we need to see whether there is a continuation. Can we expect the price drop to this line or not, or from there can reverse, because the possibility the price drop somewhere around what the line, the yellow one I have it at that price, again reverse. Okay, just this is for the indication. Anyway, if we move to 1 hour chart, as we can see, we had the one sell setup here, but now the thing is we don't have any trade setup. As we can see, the price is reversing, but now we don't have any trade setup. And if we get any correction similar to what we have here, then we can sell it. But rather than that, whether continue move up or down, we are not going to sell. And if we get, again, if we get any correction similar to what we have here, we can look for the down move. And the price, if came to this trend line, or it depends on the traders whether they want to put the here, or whether they want to or whether they want to put here above the last impulse. It depends on them. Okay, whether any of them is okay. If we get any sell setup from there, when the price drops to this line above the last impulse or here, then we need to start to manage. If this is the price is moving, dropping, we keep. If not, we reverse. Anyway, as we can see right now, the price is moving sharp, I think due to the news we have it. Anyway, how about if the price came to this low, this high, sorry, at that time, so we need to get more deeper correction before we look for the down move. Okay, anyway, we see what we get here. Again, if we get similar to what we have here, if we get there here, we look for the down move. That means we get a correction within this range. But if the price move by top, come to this level, we need to see whether we have this correction or we should wait for the more complex correction for the down move. And do we need to look for the up move? For this range, within this range, I don't think we can get any buy. The only times is the price come and tag and break this high. That means the price break this top, and what we expect, the price move sharp, give a correction. At that time, so we need to see whether that correction can give us a buy setup, and in terms of the risk and reward, do you want to trade or not? Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and we see what we will get within this. If we get any trade setup for sell, we take the trade. Thanks.